Dear students, welcome to the 7 sessions of our initiations. This week you are going to learn about the making and responding to an appointment as well as giving an explanation in English. You can find this week's topic in Module 8 and Module 9. Each module consists of 2 learning activities. By the end of the week, you are expected to identify the expression used to make or respond to an appointment, explanation, negotiations, and draw a conclusion in a meeting. Please study the materials and enrichment links below. Afterwards, please participate in discussion forum 7 and do the assignment 3. Good luck!